Hello guys, welcome to Noor Online YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you some important tips based on what I am experiencing. So what we are going to look at today is how to fix reuse content. If you don't know what the reuse content are content which are already uploaded by the other creator or YouTubers, and then you upload them into your channel. So there's a way to fix them. Number one, what YouTube needs from you, it needs you to be creative. You need to show some value to your contents. Like it says here, show your presence to the videos. You need to show yourself. You need to tell them that I am the creator of this particular content. You need to appear. Number three, add some value to the videos, like detailing what the video is all about. What do you want your viewers to learn from you? Number four, show your face on the video. Like now you are seeing me, I'm talking to the webcam, telling you what to do when you have a reuse content. When you want to fix this reuse content issue, you need to show your face on the video that you are uploading. Or well, if you are uploading 10 videos per day, at least make sure 3 or 4 videos you have to show your face on them. Other information that I want to share with you, when you want to fix reuse content, or you want to get out of the message with the YouTube send you that you violated the rule and that they demonetize your channel, and you want to get back to the YouTube partner. So what you're going to do first is that change your channel art. You have to change the channel art. The channel art is the channel cover image, the photo that you are uploading for your cover YouTube channel. So it has to be you, or you can put something related to your channel. So this is very important. You need to change your YouTube channel art. So please keep it in mind. Change it. All right. The other thing that I want to share with you also is change your channel profile. You need to make sure that you put your own image. But for channel art, you have to put the detail that talk about what your channel is all about. Let's say my channel right here, it is my own music. I'm uploading my own music on this channel. I'm also using it to teach. I'm also using it for community, like uploading community videos on it. So it is mostly like it is a mixed channel. So I already indicated there on my YouTube channel art, so you can do the same also. The other most important thing is this, okay? You need to make sure that you put a good description about your channel. Description are the detail about your YouTube channel, what your channel is all about, what your channel is doing, what are you trying to solve. Because on YouTube we are solving things. We are showing people how to solve, or how to they can overcome the problems that they are facing. So this is what YouTube is all about. So whatever you are doing, you have to make sure that you put a good description on your channel. You talk about your channel, what it helps people, or what you are doing. And this is the most important part, because if you leave it blank, what will happen? YouTube will not monetize your channel without a good description of your YouTube channel. Last thing that you are going to do right now on your YouTube channel is to make sure you have a good thumbnail. I've been doing this thing wrong, but now I understand after they demonetize my YouTube channel. I understood the value of putting a good thumbnail on your videos. And please make sure that when you are uploading your videos, create or design a good thumbnail. And for you to get out of this, you don't have to mislead people by creating a good thumbnail that do not goes together with the video that you are uploading. Like mine right now, I'm talking about how to fix reuse content on YouTube channel. And if I create another thumbnail which is not even referring to the video I'm talking about right now, which means that I'm a misleader, and YouTube will demonetize your channel for that. So you have to make sure you put a good thumbnail which indicate what your video is. And this is what I want to share with you today. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button or likes or